Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Masego. You guys are watching RWS, which is Randoms with Shades, and I'm Shades the Rebel. I'm so excited about this video. Okay, I'm very excited. My heart is beating so fast. So guys, I'm really excited about this video. Why? Because I got myself some tools that I'm gonna be using in my next couple of projects. I mean, I'm also really just excited in general about my plans in the future. Anyway, so guys, I'm gonna be giving you guys a haul, okay, and also a mini testing out. So guys, I got myself 2 types of tools. I'm so excited because I'm gonna be using them very much and a lot. I'm gonna be using them a lot. So the first one that I got was this. We're gonna pretend I didn't open it now. So basically this is a hole punch. I'm trying to hold it between our lips. This is the hole punch. This is the hole punch, the big one, and then this one is a grommet setting tool, and it's got the instructions here at the back. And basically what it does, it makes eyelets. That's what it makes. And then you get yourself this. So we got this, and this is a press fastener, so it's for press studs. And quite frankly, when I'm looking at these things, I'm starting to feel like this grommet setting tool is actually the same thing as this press fastener, just without the tools for it. So yeah guys, I'm gonna unbox, okay, and reveal to you guys what it is. So this is what the eyelets look like, okay. I don't mind my nails, guys, you know what it is. And then I have this this is the grommet. You guys see that? This is weird. So you have to like open it by pressing it down a bit and then push open that thing so that it can open up like that, and then you use it like that. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. And then we have this leather hole punch. Guys, I'm excited about this because I actually saved up to buy these things, and I actually thought they were gonna cost a lot more than they did, because when I looked at the prices online, I was like, yo, malengaga. So I actually got this whole set from a nearby shopping center called R55 Mall, and it was only 76 rand. It's like the price is still here. Only 76 rand for both of these tools, whereas at other stores it was 500, 600. Yeah. So I was like, I'm definitely buying this. I don't care if it's the cheaper version, if it does the work, I am getting it. So here it is. It's already open. It also has that little thingy that you have to pull up so that it locks. Yeah, and then it opens up like that, and it's got these like ruffles that you just turn. Oh, there's also a way of turning this. Okay guys, and then we have this. So I got this today. I went to Joburg today because I needed a few supplies, which I've got in here. Guys, I've always wanted to get one, but they didn't have at the Metro in Central Mall. So I am on the waiting list, and then they're gonna tell me when they have it. And that one is the metal one. This one is a plastic one, and I decided I'm just gonna get it because it's 124, and the metal one was like 89 rand. But this one has like more tools than the metal one, but I still want the metal one. And I must say, even before I've ever used these ones, I think the metal one is better. Just, you know, in my head I'm thinking it's probably gonna last longer. What if this one breaks, you know? And yeah, anyway, so I'm opening it. I'm so excited, guys. Like, I'm excited. I'm really excited. Oh my, is this new? Anyway, so you get this very wobbly plastic, guys. Look. So imagine now I put the tools here, and then I have to hammer here by a tool, and then it. Okay, so when you open it, this kind of has a measuring something up to is from 1 up to 13 centimeters. Okay, so with this plastic thing, and then you get the press studs. So what press studs are basically, what press studs are your snap buttons that go. Yeah, I don't have anything to show you guys with right now, but this is what it is. And then we have this how to use it instruction thingy mabobiki. I should use the right words, right? It's a manual. So then we have a manual on how to use it, and it's very visual, which is a good thing because I cannot read. No, I'm joking. It's a good thing. I like visual representations because when I read instructions, I get it messed up. So yeah, and it also has like very brief instructions here at the back, but I like these ones because they're like a lot. Yay! Oh, I can, like, I'm not sure, but like from looking at this, I'm gonna look at it in order, but like from looking at this, I can actually use this instead of using this, which is great. That's awesome. But then now that means that what happens? Oh, I need both. And these instructions, are they in English? Oh, button fasteners. That's all. Mini. Guys, not letting like nice young pants and someone. So with this, I would need a hammer, but with this, I just need arm springs. Will I be able to put this here? Let me see. But it's nothing on this page looks like what I have, which is skirt. That's scary. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys a tutorial. I'm gonna try and read these instructions and actually kind of get what's happening over here, because I will. Okay guys, so these are the pieces that came with this thing. Like, these are the pieces that came from here, right? As well as this one, which was in here. But like, I put this in already and I can't take it out, so I'm not gonna take it out. I ain't trying to do that. And basically, this piece over here must come here, and it must like click. Really go in. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is tell him you need to sit down and talk. Don't need to believe that he doing right, cause he can see it in your walk. Sometimes you need to choose. Emma is okay. Alrighty guys, I found a hammer. Okay. Yep. Okay. Copy Kuni later. I'm gonna do it on the floor because right? Let's see. Wow, that was actually easy. So now this is how it looks. This is where we do the what? We're going to put this one here. This is the button top, like the one that you guys usually would see. And then what? Yeah, Lana. And then Lena. This one, this part. It goes like this. Does it look up? It looks like it's looking down instead. So there we have it. That's how I'm gonna put it in. Okay, so here they say this thing is supposed to be used to make a hole. I'm not gonna do that. If that's what I'm supposed to make a hole with, I'd rather make a hole with this. So I opened it there, and then continue. It was quite simple. I think I pushed it up. What did I do? Did I just try it? So you just need to try and fit the size, yala length. So this looks like the size that's gonna fit. Quite. This one is a bit too big. But bigger is better. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that part. Guys, I'm not really sorry about my nails. Oh, this is how you do it. Yeah, you just twist. Okay. And then I'm gonna get it to this point. Make sure that it's new. I'm not sorry about my nails. No, I'm not. No. Don't ask me why. Okay, and then I have this fabric, guys. This is a tracksuit fabric. Right? And I'm gonna fold it into like that. And then we're gonna see if we're going to be able to open it. Okay, this is not working. This one. Okay, there's a slide hole. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so there's a hole there, and then now the next thing that I'm going to do before getting to tear is insert this part like that. Oh, this part needs to be touching there like that, and we're going to push it in. Okay, can you guys see? Okay, and then we're going to close that like that. Okay, guys, right? Yeah, we actually used to just put it on like that, and then you put it on like that. Then what you bang it? It's not doing anything. Okay, taking it to the floor again. Okay, guys, this is how it's looking. I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. So I'm gonna do the other side. On the other side, guys, remember we already made the hole. That's the same again. I think this is the one I must use. Why am I not reading? Okay, mile point layer even. So no man has inside it's fine. You have be one. I have been no and then we just maybe I can make you feel good. Maybe like the way he should put it. Yeah, right, and again. This one is too big. I'm going to use this one. I think it's better to use this. Okay. And then we're going to go to the floor because... Okay, here it is, guys. And it's still a bit loose. I can always actually go in and tighten it. But I just want to see if it closes. Woo, guys. Do you see that? And then you just open it like that. Okay, button. Struggle. They will have it. So I just need to tighten here. Guys, this is perfect. Perfecto. So here it is, guys. I just need to click it here, open there, and now it's tighter. Yeah, as you can see here, and also here. You see that? Do you see that? So yeah, guys, I'm really happy about this. And then you get this, which we're going to make this out of, and we're going to be using this. Okay, so we're going to use the holes. You want it to be a big enough hole here. Maybe we can do the opposite. You just push it in like that. And but so this is how it looks, you guys. Yeah, I don't like this finish, and this is how it looks over here. Very nice and neat, and this one was quite quick, you know. They don't give us like a cover for the top or whatever, so this is like how it looks. But I don't mind this if, let's say, it's on the inside there and you put in like a drawstring and it comes out, because then it wouldn't hurt anyone. But yeah, so guys, this is how it looks over here, and here's how this looks over here. You could definitely tighten that a little bit more, but I'm really happy about how it turned out, guys. Yay! So guys, thank you so much for joining me in this video and actually like experiencing what it was like to do this. I'm really excited for my next project. I can't wait. Also, please do go to my Instagram page to see the latest things that I've been doing. I'm really excited about this year. So yeah, it's at just_shades. And yeah, guys, that was my whole household. Okay, yeah, I'm really excited, guys. When I have tools, guys, yo, I can't wait to actually like prepare and make my studio like, and make it like workable. Like, y'all are not even ready. Thanks so much for watching this video. Goodbye.